Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create masking effect on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application. And first of all, I'm going to create new project and then I'm going to import my video. Wait, I'm going to import this video guys. You can import two videos. And then you can use the mask to create masking effect for two videos. And here I'm just going to split my video so it can be two videos. Alright, I have already splitted my video. And then guys, we can use the mask to combine two videos. I'm going to make this video as an overlay like this. And then I'm going to place it here. Okay, and wait. And then I'm going to add this video here. You can drag the video like this. And I'm going to click on the second video and then go to the mask option. We can scroll all the way to the right until we find the mask. And I'm going to choose horizontal mask. Then I'm going to create this effect. So there will be two videos in one screen. Okay, we can combine it. And I'm going to drag the second video. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and as you can see guys that the mask effect has been created. And then I'm going to add video effect to make this video more captivating. I'm going to go to the effect, select video effect, and then I'm going to add flash effect. I'm going to choose black flash 2. Okay, and you can add this effect right here. Okay, and then I'm going to add shake effect as well. We can search shake effect like this. And then I'm going to choose this one. Or let's try this one. Okay, and this is the result. And okay guys, that's all the way to create masking effect on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.